Hi there, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today we have a very simple recipe to share with you. This is a 3 ingredient mayonnaise recipe. So do not forget to subscribe to this channel and let's get started. So the first thing you will need is eggs. You will need 2 eggs. You can break one at a time just to avoid any spoilages. So you'll put the whole egg in a blender. Then the next thing you will need is juice of lemons or limes. If you have vinegar, the better. So you'll use 1 lime or lemon juice and add it to the egg. And then what you want to do to this is just blend this up in very high speed, and this is what you will achieve. And after that, you will add some salt. Add about a tablespoon of salt and blend it again. You will have to blend a lot of times when doing this recipe, so just be patient and use a good blender just to achieve everything. Then to that you will add about a 1/4 cup of cooking oil. You can use olive oil if you have it. So then you blend this up again at very high speed, and you will achieve this after about 3 minutes of blending. Then since it's not thick yet, we'll add another 1/4 cup of cooking oil to the mixture and keep on blending. You can do a 5-minute blend after every time you put the oil, so that you can achieve a very thick consistency. And you can add another 1/4 cup of oil because the mayonnaise wasn't ready at this point. It was still runny and you want it thick, as you guys know how mayonnaise looks like. And then we finally achieved the thickness that you wanted. You can stop at this or you can go on depending on how you want to use the mayonnaise. So at this point mine was ready, so it's just putting it in an airtight bottle or container or jar. Make sure you preserve it in the fridge, but before you use it you have to let it just cool down and stop freezing, just for you to use it. So that's our simple 3-ingredient recipe for mayonnaise. You can try it out and do not forget to tag me. And yes, also do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share to as many people as it can help. So see you in the next video. Bye.